On the same particular subject, viewers, there's more breaking news coming in. This is Centre now asserting that Aravali is safe. On the Aravali issue, this is the Centre's big pushback. Environment Minister now comes out to say, stop peddling lies. The Centre has come out to say tiny part of Aravali is eligible for mining and that it is 0.19% of the 1.44 lakh square kilometers that has been made eligible for mining. This is what Bhupender Yadav had to say on the Aravali. He's the Environment Minister. And he has said that stop spreading misinformation. It's only 0.19% of the total 1.44 lakh square kilometers of the Aravali region, which is being made for mining, which has been made eligible for mining. The rest of the Aravali range is protected and safe. So let's listen in to what firstly had to be said by Bhupender Yadav before we proceed with the discussion on the same.
अरावली में कोई भी रिलैक्सेशन नहीं दिया गया। पहली अरावली भारत के 4 राज्यों में दिल्ली, राजस्थान, हरियाणा और गुजरात, टोटल अरावली 39 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में अरावली की पिटीशन 1985 से चल रही है। इस पिटीशन में चलने के बाद अरावली में माइनिंग के स्ट्रिक्ट नियम होने चाहिए, इसके हम भी पूरी तरीके से समर्थन करते हैं। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने चारों राज्यों को कहा कि अरावली की सेम डेफिनेशन होनी चाहिए। सेम डेफिनेशन में 100 मीटर को, जो कि 1968 का जो जियोलॉजी का स्टडी है रिचर्ड मॉर्फी, उसके कारण है। कुछ YouTube चैनल ने और कुछ लोगों ने एक कंफ्यूजन खड़ा कर दिया कि 100 मीटर का अर्थ ही होगा टॉप के 100 मीटर। ऐसा नहीं है। उसका जो बेस स्ट्रक्चर है, जो पर्वत का बेस स्ट्रक्चर है, अगर वो जमीन के अंदर भी 20 मीटर है, वहां से लेके 100 मीटर तक प्रोटेक्शन है। तो जो 100 मीटर का प्रोटेक्शन है, जो लोगों ने कंफ्यूजन करा है कि मतलब ऊपर का 100 मीटर है, नीचे खुदाई कर सकेंगे, वो नहीं है। मैं आपको फिर क्लियर कर रहा हूं। 100 मीटर का अर्थ है टॉप 100 मीटर से बॉटम के अंदर तक जो उसका पूरा फैलाव है। पहाड़ी तो ऐसे होती है, तो उसका बॉटम तो बड़ा होता है। जहां तक उसका बॉटम जाएगा, वहां से लेके 100 मीटर तक प्रोटेक्शन है।
Devankur joins us back on the broadcast. Devankur, at this given point, the Union Minister of Environment has to say that it is just 0.19% of the entirety of the Aravalis that's been made eligible for mining. But the question still remains, what shall be the impact of that 0.19%? Because that is how crucial this entire range is for the North India at this given point and for the ecosystem that exists here at this point.
Well, Priyanka, there are several questions that can be raised. A, why did the government, if the clarification that Bhupender Yadav, the Union Minister for Environment, is speaking about is correct, why did the Union government not come out with this clarification earlier? Why is it that the kind of remarks that were made by the opposition, including by several leaders, including the former Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot, who backed the Save the Aravali movement, why was the opposition not taken into confidence earlier? Why was this level of confusion, if it can be called so, allowed to foster on, and why is the clarification coming out today? There are a lot of anxieties, a lot of dilemma that people find themselves in, because remember, not only for the last few years or decades, for the last more than a century, the Aravali hills have been acting as the saviors for the people of Rajasthan, and the Aravalis have clearly been responsible for maintaining the ecological balance, for ensuring that Rajasthan continues to be largely inhabitable, and also the fact that adjoining states such as Delhi and Haryana, if Aravali, the kind of adverse consequences